How to prepare m by 20 Mohr salt solutions. If m by 20 is given, you put 1 by 20 in the molarity, and in place of the volume, if you are going to prepare 100 ml, you put 100. Otherwise, you will, if 250 is given, you put 250. 400, it is 1.96 the given mass, so you have to measure it. So after getting 1.96 gram, we are preparing standard solutions m by 20. So for that, we have to take in the beaker where we are going to prepare the solutions and add concentrated sulfuric acid before 100 ml water is added, so that oxidation process is stopped. सॉल्ट पे वाटर डायरेक्टली ऐड नहीं करना है, पहले हमें कंसनट्रेट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एडिशन करना है, उसके बाद आप उसमें 100 ml का जो वाटर है उसे आप पुट करना है, सो दैट स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशंस m by 20 is prepared. Now with this, now we will measure 250 for 250 ml 4.96 gram, and for if it is for 100 ml we will take 1.96 gram more salt. So my student will show the demonstration. So make sure that it is before starting it will be 0.000 mark, okay. And now next is we have to put in the beaker where we are going to prepare the solution, and then next what we have to do is to mix before addition of water to make 250 ml of standard solution. What we have to do is addition of concentrated sulfuric acid and then water is added, so that oxidation process is stopped. Since the reaction is redox reaction, so, and now we have to stir it nicely so that all the salt are mixed properly. So you have to use a glass rod for that. Make sure that all the salts are mixed very nicely so that your reading may come correctly. And don't forget to add concentrated sulfuric acid before the addition of water. So after stirring it properly, now you will be given an unknown strength of KMnO4, which you have to put in the burette. So you have to put in the burette up to the 0.0 mark. Next, we have to pipette out 20 ml Mohr salt solution in a conical flux. So after that, when pipetting 20 ml Mohr salt solution is done, you have to add 20 ml dilute sulfuric acid, and then we will go for titration as my student is showing. So in this way you have to shake and do it continuously until a permanent pink color appeared. So it will take time, so you have to continuously stir in this way unless permanent pink color appeared. So it will dissolve until the color will appear. See, the permanent pink color will come after few minutes. So after coming of permanent pink color, you note the observations at what point it has come. So initial reading will be 0, 0, and the final reading will be what is appeared on the burette. So after that, you will go to the third column, that is volume of KMnO4 solution, that is final minus initial. So it will be same as final reading of the burette. So after obtaining all this, we will go for the calculation, that is volume of KMnO4. So now what we have measured, it is the volume of KMnO4. So after getting the value of KMnO4, what we will do, we will take the average of the reading and put in the VKMnO4, volume of KMnO4. and that will be the value of x. So putting in the place of x and cross multiplying, we will get the molarity of KMnO4. To get the strength of KMnO4, what we will do, we will further calculate molarity into molar mass to get the strength in gram per liter. Okay, so this is the our end of the experiment.